Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn that how to write essay on achievements of India in the field of science and technology in 600 words. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. Essay on achievements of India in the field of science and technology. Introduction. Science and technology play an important role in modern life. India has been the most famous country in the world in the field of science and technology since ancient times. India's science and technology has given real recognition to India all over the world. Today, India has become a rapidly emerging and developing country through new innovations in the field of science and advanced technology. Despite the lack of high-end equipment and funds, India has consistently succeeded in beating the giants in the field of physics, mathematics, medicine, chemistry, and space studies. Achievement of India in science and technology. Number 1. India has the second largest group of scientists and engineers in the world. Number 2. India's achievements in the field of IT and software are recognized worldwide. Number 3. India's total solar power capacity has grown more than 11 times in the last 5 years. Number 4. India is the only country which has made the first successful attempt to reach Mars. Number 5. India's BrahMos is the world's fastest and most formidable anti-ship cruise missile. Number 6. Param. India has been credited with making the world's lowest cost supercomputer. Number 7. India has successfully designed very low cost wireless telephony. Number 8. ISRO has developed an atomic clock that will be used in navigation satellite to measure precise location data. Number 9. ISRO has demonstrated its capacity to handle complex missions by successfully launching a record 104 satellites on a single rocket. Number 10. India's heaviest rocket built by ISRO is GSLV Mk3. This is a big step towards being self-reliant in the country's space program. Number 11. ISRO successfully test-fired a scramjet rocket engine that generates forward thrust by using atmospheric oxygen to burn it with fuel. Number 12. The Indian National Satellite System (INSAT) is one of the largest domestic communication satellite systems in the Asia-Pacific region. Number 13. India has secured the first position among the countries to launch a nuclear submarine named INS Arihant. Number 14. Rifat Shahrukh, an 18-year-old resident of Tamil Nadu, has created history by designing the world's smallest satellite. The satellite has been named Kalamsat after former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 15. A team of Indian astronomers has discovered a very large supercluster of galaxies. Number 16. In 1974, the government of India had made the world proud of India's power by conducting the first nuclear test, Pokhran 1. Number 17. India is one of the largest centers of information technology services. 5 of the top 20 best information technology companies in the world are Indian companies. The name of these companies are TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Reliance Industries Limited, and HCL Technologies. Some example of advancement in science and technology. People now have good knowledge in almost all areas like establishment of railways and metro system, railway ticket, internet, computer, laptop, mobile, a smartphone and electricity department etc. Government of India is now creating more opportunities for the people through new technology. The development of the country is happening very fast today with better technological development. Famous scientists of modern India. The great scientists of India have made possible the progress of science and technology. The name of some great scientists are Dr. Jagdish Chandra Bose, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. K. Sivan, Dr. Anil Kakodkar, Dr. C.V. Raman, Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, Dr. Srinivas Ramanujan, Dr. Hargobind Singh Khurana, and Dr. Vikram Sarabhai etc. Famous scientists of ancient India. Aryabhatta, Bhaskar Pratham, Sushruta, Charak, Halayudha and Varahamihir etc. Conclusion. Technological development in any field increases the economy of any country. Since independence, the country of India has started promoting the spirit of science for the national development of its country. India is an emerging country in mathematics, architecture, chemistry, astronomy, metallurgy, natural philosophy, physics, agriculture, healthcare, medicine, astrophysics, nuclear energy, space technology, applications and defense. Thank you for watching.